It's another day, another
Shenanigans!
Today's video, I will show you how I pack our stuff when traveling. My stuff, David's stuff, and Kali's stuff. He's 18 months old, so what? It's not hot. He's 18 months old, so it's gonna be a challenge for me to pack light. As a mom, I want to bring things that he needs in his day-to-day routine. So the first thing that you need to do when you're packing light for your 18 months old toddler and your husband is to pre-pick the outfits or the clothes that you have to wear on that day. We are traveling for 3 nights and 4 days. So tomorrow, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I already pre-pick the clothes that I'm gonna wear and my toddler's gonna wear and also David's gonna wear. So I don't have any problem deciding on what to wear on that day, and it won't take too much space on our luggages. These are all Kali's clothes and these are mine. Another tip is before even going or before even traveling, you have to know the weather of the place where you're going. For us, since we're going to somewhere that's just around 70 to 80 degrees, we're not going to pack winter clothes. So let me show you. I'm bringing jacket. Yeah, I know. I said that we're not bringing winter clothes, but whenever we're traveling, I always bring jacket for Kali, just in case he got cold or just in case the weather there or it became cold, whatever. I always bring jacket. I always expect that there's a swimming. That's why I'm bringing his swimming shorts. Three long sleeves, very light long sleeves, not with long sleeves, it's not very light for him. And then three t-shirts, again it's very light, very long. And then I just bring 5 shorts, yeah, I'm it's full of 3 for him, and then 3 long sleeves. I'm bringing that much clothes. He's a toddler, and there's always an instances that he will crawl around, spill some drinks. So for instance, he spilled something on his clothes, at least I have a lot extra. One pants, actually this one is he's wearing on Friday, the day we're coming back, because it's gonna be cold here when we get back. And this one, this is his outfit tomorrow, so it's very thick because it's cold outside. And also the extra here. And of course, 2 also and 3 and 4 bucks. And for myself, I'm really a light packer ever since before even marriage or before even becoming a mom. So I'm not really that packer, like a heavy packer. I have one pants. I'm wearing this tomorrow, the day we leave, and then I have to pick a top for that. I still haven't decided yet. And on this one, leather skirt and top, and then very long socks. I'm still undecided if which one looks better. This one, it's like a net stockings, or the long socks. I'm still deciding. Anyway, it's just socks, so it will fit on my luggage. You'll see what I picked. And this one, skirt, I bought this in Thailand, and then a top. I'm gonna wear this on the second day. So second day. And this one, a skirt. I mean, no, it's not a skirt, it's a dress. I'm gonna wear this on the third day. Steph and Salil gave it to me. They are David's family. I'm gonna wear it on the third day And of course, socks. I have here 2 socks. Ah, no, 3. Where's the other one? It's missing, but yeah. You get the idea. And then for shoes, Kali is gonna wear, of course, his shoes. This one. And for my shoes, where's my shoes? Wait, I'm gonna look for my shoes. So, yeah, I found my shoes. I'm gonna bring my white shoes. This one, I'm gonna wear for everything. Since white shoes, chunky white shoes, it's very, can be matched to everything. So, yeah. And of course, I'm using this to organize everything. Like, for me, this is, I'm gonna fit all my stuff here. Kali and David. So, that's how you pack light. I'm separating one pair of shorts and shirt and putting it on his diaper bag, so whenever we're out and I can pull anytime. And of course, socks. Yes, socks. And this one. This one goes to his diaper bag. And also, his jacket goes to his diaper bag. So this is done. I always forgot about this. I forgot to pack sleeping clothes for myself. I always forgot, like whenever I travel, I always forgot those. I'm done packing all my stuff. My clothes are all in here. My OOTD, my OOTD for 4 days, and my sleepwear for 3 nights, and workout clothes, and also I put some bikinis and undergarments. So I'm done with mine. And now I'm going to pack for David's stuff. But first, before that, he asked me to iron his clothes first before packing, so that's what I'm gonna do first. I'm done packing with the luggage, and now the next thing I have to do is to pack all this stuff on his diaper bag. So I mentioned earlier that I separated extra clothes on the diaper bag. So here it is. I always have extra clothes for Kali's on his diaper bag, and the jacket is also here. So I'm gonna pack that here. And then the next one is, wait. Baby Tylenol. Look at what he's done. Yeah, okay, baby Tylenol, and then some other stuff like Band-Aid and face mask because of the coronavirus and stuff like that. And but don't worry, guys. No, press it. I already checked that the wherever. No, Kali. No. Sit down here. If you wanna hang out with mommy while doing this, you gotta sit down. Yes. So yeah, I already looked online if there's a case of coronavirus in the place where we're going, but it's 0. So yay! Look He put this on his hand. Look at that. Look at that. Wow, good job, Kali. This is from Atikiel. 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 Yes, that's from Atikiel. She made that for you when you were in my tummy. Yes. And of course, I have his shade. Yay! Oh, you wear your shade. You wear your shade. Wow! Show it to them. Show it to them. Come here. Show it to them. Yes! You look so pretty. Yes! So yeah, okay, come on. Mommy's gonna pack it now. I'm gonna put that in here. Because sometimes they would always look for his shade because he wants him for them to be matchy. Ow! You're stepping on Mommy's foot. That's your clothes. And then next, I'm gonna pack. And also have. Excuse me po, can you please move backward? Thank you. Of course, I'm putting Kali. No, stop it. Stop it. Please, please. Hey. Can you listen to Mommy? No. This is off limits. No. 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 Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Good job. Thank you. He's clapping. So, diapers here. What did I said? I said sit down, right? Huh? I just said that. So I have the breastfeeding bib here. Just in case we go in a public and people are eyeing us with breastfeeding. And also I have a bag for his utensils, like bib when we go eat out. What? And spoon and fork, and I'll put a bowl here. Spoon and fork, and then later I'll put the bowl. What? We're done for his bag. And next, can Mommy keep it now? Because you might break it. So next is, I'm gonna pack my carry-on bag. This is my carry-on bag. This is the tripod, of course, and then my planner, and then my makeup kit, and this one is markers and masking tape and scissors. Next one is my passport holder. My passport is right here, and then my IDs. So, and next one is my cologne. That's it. My wallet from Andrew Duque. Actually, it's empty. And here, I also have wipes here just in case I needed it. Okay, this is gonna be hard. So, and then this one is my shades and my GoPro and ointment for Kali, and some fisheye camera. And next is my medicine kit. So Kali has his own medicine kit, and then I also have my medicine kit here. It's just normal alcohol. It's almost empty. And then some Newzep. I still have Newzep here. What else? Kreml S, Band-Aid, and yeah. So this one, there's two boxes here. One box for toys and then one box for books. I'm gonna put this in the car. So Kali has a lot of entertainment. These are his favorites. So he likes this one because it makes music, and then he also likes to sketch or draw something. And then this one, it also makes music. It's an ABC, and then Woody, and then Buzz. I choose Buzz and Woody because they make sounds. Shh. And then these are the books that I'm bringing. These are from Steph and Salil, and this one are also the Kalish's favorite. Yeah, the animal shape. This is his favorite, and then this one. So the Noisy Farm. So I hope this will entertain him during the 9 hours drive. And then also this Llama Llama. He likes this so much because it's spin like that. And this one too, he likes this because every time he scroll, there's an answer. For instance, this one, let's go, and he will press this one. Okay. And here, shh, and here it's a tiny books with first words, colors, opposites, numbers, shapes, and animals. These are his favorite books. Most of the time, he always scan this book. So I'm gonna bring this for entertainment in the car while we're driving. My clothes, David's clothes, and Kali's clothes, and this is our toiletries, like our toothbrush, facial skincare routine, lotion, shampoo, Kali's shampoo, and everything. And then Kali's diaper, and this one is for our laundry extra, just in case we need it. So yeah. So guys, that's it. It's a wrap. Thank you for watching, and I see you guys on our next video. Bye!